with the MLAs in his camp now. Legal opinion on the notice is now going to be taken. Pilot will be exploring what are the options left for the pilot camp. Sachin is now in touch with all of the MLAs who are with him, about 18 of them. Remember, all of them have got a show cause notice by the chief whip. And the notice very clearly states a possible disqualification under the anti-defection law. More importantly, about the fact that none of those leaders who stayed clear of the CLP meet gave any reason for missing the meet. They were incommunicado, not available, inaccessible, and now anti-defection law for trying to topple the government is being mulled over and explored by the Gehlot government. And here is Sachin Pilot trying to meet with the MLAs of his camp and taking legal opinion on what to respond to the notice. Maushmi joining us for more details on the phone line. Maushmi, Sachin Pilot now all set to meet his camp members, 18 of them who've received a notice from the chief whip of the Congress, and it appears that they're taking legal opinion on what to respond, how to respond. It could be very possible that all these 18 MLAs could stand at risk of losing their position and their seat within the assembly.
That's right, and we've learned from our sources that, in fact, the future course of action as far as the legality of it is concerned is being discussed and deliberated. The Sachin Pilot camp is consulting legal experts to find out a way out, because the anti-defection law and working against the interests of the party, the notice that has been sent could actually disqualify the present MLAs who have sided with Sachin Pilot. So legal options and legal opinions are being taken. Sachin is in touch with all the other MLAs and trying to work out a probable option. And that's one reason you see that the presser that was slotted for today has also been advanced. So perhaps Sachin Pilot would only come out and speak about his future course of action once the legality is sorted out, because they don't want to, in fact, make it a mistake by opening their cards before they have to face the axe as far as disqualification is concerned. And that's why the nitty-gritties of the entire future course of action is being worked out in the Sachin Pilot camp.
Right, Maushmi, thanks much. Sachin Pilot now, of course, meeting with his camp members, 18 of the MLAs and loyalists who've received a notice from the chief whip. All of them now stand at risk of being disqualified. Here's Sachin Pilot trying to make things possible, trying to see if there could be any room to resolve. In fact, that's the perception that he's creating, considering he does not want to join the opposition. He wants to try and resolve the situation within the party. He continues to say in an exclusive conversation with India Today that he remains a congressman. But the question is the High Command of the Congress there really trying to pacify Sachin Pilot? That's the question that's been raised time and again. Sachin Pilot, though, denies getting any call from Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi. He says that he did speak to Priyanka